Hello everyone, Sean Iverson here from pickleballsignuphub.com. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create an event in Pickleball Sign Up Hub that your club members can sign up into. As you can see on our calendar view in front here, the entire month of March is empty. There are no events on it whatsoever. And so today is the 20th of March. I'm just going to create an event called Mixer for tomorrow, starting at 10:30 in the morning, running until 1 p.m. that will accommodate up to 70 members. It will open for sign up a week before it starts, so on the 14th, and it will close to sign up 2 hours before the event starts, so that'll be 8:30 in the morning. So I'm going to show you how easy and fast that is, and to do that all we have to do is go over into the club administration area of Pickleball Sign Up Hub. We can open the frequently used tab if it's not already open, and then go into events. Here you'll see a list of all of our events, but we're just going to click the blue button here to create a new one. All I need to go is choose an event type of Mixer, and then change the default date to the 21st, 10:30 a.m. and then save it. If we go back and refresh our page, there you see our event. It's as easy as that. It took probably about 5 seconds to do that. If I click on the event itself, we can see that the Mixer is tomorrow, Friday, March 21st, 10:30 to 1 p.m. At the Landing Sports Center. Sign up closes tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. The capacity is 70 participants and the wait list is open to 30. If we choose to, we can click to sign up because it's already open. We can view who's in it. There I am. Go back to events. If I want to sign out, I can, and there it is. So that was super easy and fast. I will explain to you how that all worked in a second. Before I do, I just want to show you the responsive design of the calendar event page. Our experience is that most people use their phones as opposed to their laptops or tablets to sign up into events. This is obviously running on my PC, so I have a nice wide 32-inch monitor. Everything displays really nicely. The typical view that people see is their phone view, which looks more like this. And so what I mean by responsive design is that the bigger your device gets, the bigger the screen grows. And if you watch Mixer here, at some point in time, all of a sudden more information is going to display, or all of a sudden, because it detects there's enough room, it's actually going to display the start time. And if we make it as wide as possible, then it also adds statistics. So the S is the number of people signed up, 0 of 70, and the W is the wait list, 0 of 30. So in this case, there's nobody signed up, nobody on the wait list. But just wanted to show you that if you actually look at this calendar view on your tablet or PC, you actually can see more information than you can on your phone. Just a quick blurb on that. But back to our events here. Let me explain to you how I was able to do that so quickly. So all I really had to enter here was the event type. Okay, I chose Mixer from my list of configurable event types, and then all I did was enter the start date and time. Everything else defaulted right off the bat or was automatically calculated to be the correct values according to the default settings on my event type code. Okay, so the 70 maximum participants came from my Mixer event type code, so that every Mixer I create pulls from the event type Mixer defaults. Same with waitlist size. Same with location. Okay, and also the end time and the date and time to allow sign up and the date and time to close sign up, they also come from the event type. And they're auto recalculated based on the time that I enter. So, for example, I have said that the default duration of my Mixer events are 2.5 hours. So, anytime I change the start date and time, this will also change. So, if I change this from 10:30 to 11:30, all of a sudden now the end time becomes 2 o'clock. If I change it to 9:30, then my end time becomes 12 p.m. Similarly, the date and time to allow sign up and the date and time to close sign up are also changed. So all three of those fields are preset on the default, on the event type default, and they update automatically. So I don't even have to think about it. These are decisions that the club board have made in terms of when you want to allow sign up, when you want to close sign up relative to the event start time. And so that all just happens automatically. So it's very, very quick to create a new event. So I think I'm going to leave it at that for this video, and then I will create a new one shortly that shows more about the event type itself, and then also how to use the event copy feature, which allows you to copy one or more events forward into the future. So you can create events, copy a day worth of events into future dates, or you can actually copy an entire week to future weeks. And I'll show you that in an upcoming video. Until then, thanks very much for watching.